Good evening. My name's Katrina. Um, for this next mind map, we're going to talk about human genetics, genomes, and I was also blown away by the twin studies and thought about changing my course into genomics because it was just so fascinating. So we're going to just go through the basics. So I don't know whether you can see on my map, but we're going to talk about chromosomes and the genetic material that is organized into chromosomes. So that sort of becomes part of our genetic makeup. And it consists of long stranded chemical molecules called DNA. And so within each chromosome there are several genes. Each gene is essentially a short segment of the chromosome, and each one contains the instructions to make a specific protein. So the protein, by expressing different proteins, genes can influence who we are, our physical characteristics and observable behaviours and how we interact. The biological makeup, psychology and twin studies. This is sort of my own interest. I thought it's fascinating. So, what is the impact? So, I guess how do we relate biology to psychology? So, the genes and chromosomal makeup differences for twins who were separated at birth. So, studies have shown some interesting results there. I think there is some impact. And the chromosome, autosomal, sex, genotype, phenotype, all very different dynamic parts of the genetic makeup that is the human body. And fascinating that these can impact the values and personality of twins and their twin counterparts. Especially if they were separated as well. I really enjoyed the discussions about twins separated at birth and how genes can play a role in determining personality. However, the twins studies that nature over nurture debate. So the fact that a twin can miss a cell, like their other twin is like a cell, is quite heart wrenching if they ever separated at birth in real life. So nervous system, all these neurons transmitting everywhere, so vast and interconnected, making up our cells, helps us process information, to act on things appropriately and efficiently. And separation and all that sort of stuff can have a big impact on our genes, our neurons processing properly. Yeah, great topics.